for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Ford Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, electronic stability control, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front license plate bracket, four-piece floor mat set, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning. Come see the car for yourself.